Welcome to Restaurant Conversations, real dialogue practice.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 tonight at 7 p.m., please.
I'm sorry, but we're fully booked at 7. Would 8:30 work for you?
Good evening. Do you have a reservation with us tonight?
Yes, we have a table for 2 under Johnson at 8:30.
Excuse me, what's in the seafood pasta special?
It's linguine with shrimp, scallops, and mussels in a white wine sauce.
I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. How would you like that cooked? Medium or well done?
How is everything tasting so far?
It's absolutely delicious. The chef did an amazing job tonight.
Could we please have the check when you get a chance?
Of course. I'll bring that right over for you.
Will this be together or separate checks tonight?
Together is fine. We'll split it between us later.
So much. The service was wonderful tonight.
You're very welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you so much. The service was wonderful tonight.
You're